Like, subscribe and get notified.
The Goa Assembly Speaker heard the second disqualification petition filed by former Congress President GirishChodankarin in 2022 on Monday, after a gap of 2 years, following Supreme Court directions. All 8 Congress MLAs have been asked to file their replies by 18th October. The argument will take place on 24th and 25th October. Goa Assembly Speaker dismissed the first disqualification petition filed by Dominic Noronha against 8 rebel Congress MLAs.
आज पहिले मी 4:30 वरांचेर डॉमिनिक नोरोनाची जे पिटिशन चालू आशिल्लें डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन ते डिसमीस केल्लें आसा आनी आयज साकून आमी जे दुसरें पिटिशन आशिल्लें गिरीश चोडणकर तें घेतलेलें आसा.
डिसमीस
ग्राउंड केला तुमकां ऑर्डर मेळटली तुमकां जाल्यार तुमी ऑर्डर वाचा.
तीन पिटिशन आशिल्ली न्ही ती तीन पिटिशनां न्ही ती
तीन पिटिशन जर आसली वेगवेगळ्या मनशाची वेगवेगळे पिटिशन त्याच प्रमाणे पयलीं पिटिशन जें आसा न्ही डॉमिनिक नोरोनाचें जे डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन आशिल्लें तें आज डिसमीस केलें.
आम्ही डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन जे फायल केल्ले तेची आयज फर्स्ट हियरींग दवरलेली स्पिकरान. फायल केल्ले पिटिशन गिरीश चोडणकरान नोव्हेंबर ऑफ 2022 ऑलमोस्ट आफ्टर 2 years दी फर्स्ट हियरींग ऑफ दी मॅटर वॉज केप्ट बाय दी स्पीकर. आनी जर तुमकां खबर आसतलें आय थिंक दीस ऑल इज बिकॉज दी सुप्रीम कोर्ट हॅड डायरेक्टेड देम टू टेक डिसिजन इन अ पर्टिक्युलर टायम. सो आतां 2 वर्सां नंतर फर्स्ट हियरींग जाला. So I don't want to say anything more. You can understand what is happening.
कितले मिनटां जाल्ली हियरींग?
हियरींग आतां फर्स्टूच हियरींग आशिल्ली. सो बेसिकली तेंच्यांनी टायमलायन दिला की 18 तारखेक मेरेन 18 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन रिस्पॉन्डंट सगळ्यांनी रिप्लाय आपलो फायल करचो म्हणून. 22 तारखे मेरेन आमकां रिजॉयंडर फायल करपाक टायम दिला आनी 24 आनी 25 ऑक्टोबर आर्ग्युमेंटाक दवरला.
हातूंत विटनेसीस तशें कितें आसा?
Witnesses in the sense this is all based on documents, so documentary evidence asa. So we will want to argue it on the basis of documents because those documents can't be disputed by anybody. Tenchek document hai sabhe.
So you expect order before the commencement of the Supreme Court November?
Ata I don't want to say what I expect and I don't expect. Only thing which I know for sure till now the decision was not to take a decision. It appears that because of Supreme Court's matter going on in the Supreme Court, at least now they have decided to decide. So let's see when they decide.
पण तुमकां कितें दिसता केन्ना पर्यंत कंप्लीट जातलें कशें दिसता?
आता ज्या तरेन तेंच्यानी टायमलायन दिला ते डिसायड करतले अशें दिसता. बट आतां मेरेन 2 वर्सां जर लागली फर्स्ट हियरींग घेवपाक जाल्यार इट इज क्लियर न्ही पयलीं डिसिजन घेतिल्लें की आमी कांयच डिसिजन घेवचें ना म्हणून.
आमचो पेटिशन फॉर डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन ऑफ द 8 members पड आशिल्लो इट स्टँड्स डिस्क्वॉलिफायड. इट स्टँड्स dismissed. Sorry, it stands dismissed. So it's a 35-page order. So we request time to give any further statements on it, on what we could do, because we have to go through the depth of the order to understand if the findings and all that are in favor or not in favor to go further. So in due course of time we will announce a further course of action. Any other questions? Then feel free.
We will examine. What is the ground? What is the ground?
I have not gone to into depth, but in the oral arguments, the grounds that the defendants were relying was on 4.2, section 4.2 of the Constitution. We were relying on the 10th schedule. What we were saying is that a party, if it has to merge with 2/3, it should be the overall party that merges. But their argument was that 2/3 of the legislative party can merge. That was their this. So looks like their argument has stood. We have not gone into the order, but looks like what they have stated has stood. That is why our case stands dismissed.
Like, subscribe and get notified.